Hey guys, right now we are here in the lobby of Uptown Arts Residence. This is located in 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio, Taguig City. This project is ready by September 2025 and I will show you the amenities and actual unit here. So, let's go! So guys, ito yung actual 2-bedroom unit ni Uptown Arts Residence. Upon entering, naka-keycard access na siya. Then video intercom connected to the lobby. And ito yung kitchen area. Retractable faucet. Tapos premium kitchen cabinet is included. Also the range hood, cooktop, and oven. Also this refrigerator. Then this is the maid's room. Nandito yung provision for washer, dryer, and then may sariling toilet and bath. So, punta naman tayo sa living and dining area. Ito siya guys. May access sa balcony and then split type aircon is included. Dito naman yung bedroom 1. And also built-in cabinet is included and another split type aircon. And punta naman tayo sa common toilet and bath. Complete sanitary fittings na siya. What you see is what you get. And guys, ito yung master's bedroom. Split type aircon is included. Built-in cabinet. And also may sarili siyang toilet and bath. And guys, this is the view of this 2-bedroom unit. Uptown Parade, Uptown Mall, and then Landers, and then dito sa kabila yung Mitsukoshi. And guys, ngayon nandito tayo sa 6th floor. Dito located yung mga amenities natin like swimming pool, function area, daycare center, and gym. Guys, if you are interested in the available units of Uptown Arts Residence, you can contact my details. We offer no down payment and 0% interest. Again, I'm Ashley from Megaworld Corporation. See you on the next one.